Singer-songwriter Ray is cementing his place as one of the most prolific and forward-thinking te reo artists with the release of his latest album, Ariki. It includes 14 pop, rap, reggae, hip-hop and R&B waiata, all in te reo. Our reporter Jess Tyson caught up with him at his home in Tāmaki.
A te reo Māori album exploring the idea of rangatiratanga. But that's not all.
This album, I'm not just exploring the idea of rangatiratanga, I'm exploring the idea of arikitanga as well, you know, that level up of chieftainship, and exploring what that means and how you can embody that in your day-to-day life.
Ray has already released 4 video clips from Ariki, including one for Pohutukawa.
So Pohutukawa, I wanted to do a song kind of like Justin Bieber's Mistletoe, which is a tune about, you know, meeting your significant other or someone you got a crush on, meeting them under the mistletoe to get a cheeky kihi. But yeah, we shot that out past Te Tirangi there at Kaitarakihi Beach. And yeah, we got a cool animator from Palmerston North to do a whole bunch of cool animations on the video, and yeah, stoked with how that one came out as well.
There's also Ray's collaboration with Olivia Fuai, who sung waiata for Disney's film Moana.
It was important for me to have one song on the album that linked up with another Pacifica culture and had another Polynesian language on there. In the music video, we wanted to have kanikani from around Polynesia represented in it. So we did a hatele, which is a tokelauan routine, and we also did a Cook Island inspired dance routine as well, and also did a little waiata ringa thing that I choreographed with my friend Matthew. I love like linguistics and stuff, and like seeing the relationships between languages, and I love like talking to my friends from around the Pacific and different Polynesian cultures, and seeing all our similarities in our reo, and you can literally see the whakapapa in the kupu.
What makes you so passionate about te reo Māori?
Te reo Māori just makes me feel more like me. It's always been a grounding thing in my life. It's been a thing that helps center me and helps calm me and helps me feel more at home in Aotearoa. So yeah, for me, writing in te reo was, you know, my way of practicing te reo and learning new kupu and learning new sentence structures in my career. Yeah, I'll basically write the songs all in te reo, and then I'll write them by myself, and then I'll have a Zoom, have a Zooey with Lois, and then we'll go through the kupu and yeah, fix anything that needs fixing.
This year's been a big one for Ray. He travelled to Europe twice to perform, and he went to Womex, the worldwide music expo.
Yeah, there was a couple wānanga there for Indigenous musicians, and yeah, I had lots of moving moments of kotahitanga and just feeling the struggles of all the other Indigenous people in the world, and how we have so many similarities with our own struggles to retain our culture and regain our culture. And yeah, it was quite inspiring for me to, you know, go to that and then come home and just get that fire in my belly to just want to release a dope-ass Māori album.
This year, Ray was honoured for his mahi, winning big at the Māori Music Awards.
I won the award for Best Hip Hop Album and Best R&B Album for the album that I released last year, which was Enjoy the Ride. So yeah, that was a cool as achievement.
Over summer, Ray will perform Ariki at gigs across the Motu, in Taranaki and at Splore.
I hope that people will have a great summer to this album and just chuck it on their roadies, chuck it on when they're when they're having a bit of a party, and chuck on my new song Pohutukawa when they're sitting under a Pohutukawa tree.